Hello, boys, girls, and families. I'm going to teach you how to fill out a Google form. Please keep in mind that you will need to be logged into your school email in order to complete this form. So your teacher will provide you a link to the form, and when they do, you can just click on it. Now, I have already filled out some of the questions, and you will see that some of these questions have a little red star next to them, and that means that this question is required in order to submit this form. For privacy's sake, I'm not going to put in my real birthday. As you can see, I'm feeling great today. I do have some allergies. This question below is saying, if you have allergies, what are they? And you'll notice that it does not have a little red star next to it, which means I do not have to fill this in order to submit the form, because not everyone has allergies. Now, I did not fill in the last question because I want to show you what happens if you miss a question that has a red star next to it. So if I hit submit, you're going to see it go back to the questions that I did not answer that are required, and it says this is a required question. So what would you like me to know about you? I am very excited to meet my new students. Once you have filled out every question with a red star, you can hit submit. And it does take a little bit of time to process, but then you will see that it says your response has been recorded, and then you are all finished.